Hello, good night. My name is Nicolas Revo, and I wanted to present my last project for this semester. It's called Weather Checker, and it's a short demonstration of this final project, an interactive Flask web application with API and data integration. It allows users to enter any city and view the current weather in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. So, here on the left side, we can see the application on Python, where it imports all the important different packages that's needed for this application to run correctly and give the results correctly for every city. As, for example, Miami, United States of America, and it says here temperature 25.6 Celsius, sets the Fahrenheit, wind speed. Okay, so let's check another city as Tokyo, Japan. Okay, let's see. Okay, Lima, Peru. Temperature 20.3 Celsius, 68.5 Fahrenheit. So, as of this is the interface where we check the weather for any city. It could be daytime, nighttime. It's gonna say the Celsius. It's gonna say the Fahrenheit, the percentage of humidity, wind speed. I'm gonna cut this video right here because Zoom only lets me do 2 minutes, but I'm gonna do a quick. Good night, Professor. Sorry for that. It's just I had to cut the video. Zoom only lets me record for 2 minutes screen, so that's why I had to cut it. In the left side here, we can see the integration of the AP key. The API key was given here from the website WeatherAPI.com, where you can see here my key is given. It was integrated here. I have the requirements for this application to run. I also did a README where I meant to integrate here my Zoom link, so the upload video. And this is my last project presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I had an incredible semester and hope to see you soon, Professor. Have a wonderful night and a wonderful summer.